Getting annoyed by random people or spammers on Messenger? Don't worry, you can block them in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to block contacts on your Messenger profile. So let's jump right in. Open the Messenger app. Now tap and hold on a chat with the person you want to block. Now you will have to click on the block option here. Messenger will ask you to confirm. Now remember that if you block someone, they will also be unfriended from your Facebook profile. With that in mind, confirm the block option. But if you're not ready to block that person yet, simply click on this option below it and tap on restrict. This will restrict that person for you and they will still be among your friends. And that's how simple it is to block someone on the Messenger app using Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any issues? Drop them in the comments. I'll try to reply as soon as possible.